You guys, so today I spent all day grocery shopping because we're gonna make my middle son, he turned 16 yesterday, and we are going to make him a big birthday party. Not a big birthday party, but just like a barbecue party. And so I'm cooking a whole lot of things. Like, little does he know that I'm making all this food because his mom was fixing to go on a challenge, and being a little selfish, I want to eat a lot of things. So for that reason, I'm cooking so many things the night before. But stay tuned. I will be posting some little parts throughout the party too. So stay tuned, guys. My house looks like right now. It's like a mess. I'm making some green enchiladas. So I am getting these things prepped. And this one here I am going to use, it looks so weird. Or no, I'm not going to use, I'm going to do these. Watch, hold on. You guys, I'm legit going to try these. I don't know how these are going to come out, but stay tuned. Let's see if it works. That mess out there. And then, the things back here. Say hi. What are you watching? We have like games and everything that we're gonna do. Thank God for baby daddy to come and help me because he's such a great help. He's cleaned up the backyard because nobody hadn't in a while, so loss. So I am legit just frying all the tortillitas first, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shred the chicken. I bought that chicken, that one. I just bought it already made. So in my previous video where I show y'all how to make green enchiladas, there is I'm actually using chicken that I'm actually cooking. That one I already bought it made. I bought plenty of it at Sam's, and I'm just gonna shred it or take it apart, pull it apart, take out the bones, and then follow through with all the other steps. So tonight what I'm doing is I'm just preparing everything, and then after that I will definitely just roll them up with the chicken, stick them in the refrigerator, and then tomorrow I'll make the creams and all of that. Alright, you guys, this is what it looks like. I've previously already washed my hands before y'all start talking shit. Just kidding. And I'm just gonna put it all in here. It's like these are always being held by something like a little So I just pull it apart. I put all the bones just as so. I don't like to use it. Alright, you guys, so I am doing these little, I don't even know what you call them, to be honest, but chicharrones. I don't know what you call them in Spanish, I mean in English, but I'm legit just gonna throw them in there. And they start becoming You'll see them grow. Oh my gosh. Grew before my eyes. Aaron's gonna put some in there for me. Do not touch or you will burn. Do not let it fall like that. So look, let me show you. If you fall from all the way to the top, you'll make it splash. Whoa. Oi, scares me. Put more. This one? Hold on. You gotta put them in all together so that I can watch.
Yeah, put you down.
Good question, Aaron. The arm ripped off. Well, good morning. It's 6 in the morning. I have made myself get up because, you know, I still have a shitload of things to do. I ended up finishing about 2 of those, and then I prepped the green enchiladas, so I have so much more stuff to do. I'll keep you updated. You guys, I'm gonna make 2 tres leches cakes today. I'm currently getting the rice ready too. Oh, I used to make these kinds of parties all the time. I don't anymore because they're a pain in the ass, but this is my son's 16th birthday and we didn't get to do anything for his 15th, so it's one of those sacrifices I have to make. I love to entertain, but I hate the preparation and the cleaning of it. So I've got my first batch of rice going, my second one in the making. It's coming along. I'm getting that heated. The cakes have been in the oven. All right, so next I am making these aguas frescas. These things take forever to fill up, but next thing down. My sister came to help. Say hi, sister. Hi. We are still wrapping enchiladas. I've been doing this since last night, sister. I have this many done. Making progress. Angela, what are you making? She showed up, guys. She helped me. She's helping me make finishes. Y'all better drink these damn things because I've been having a squirt or like squeeze. Yeah. It's gonna be so pretty. Everybody's busy setting up all the games. Got the gym gun, the dice, and the volleyball court. I'm following you. And Angela doing the most, like always. Got that little bitty thing set up. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the himalaya. I've already put all the all the things in there so that it can start soaking in there. Gotta watch them kids though. This punch is gonna be very, very strong. We're putting the whole bottle. Aw, go help her fix it. Are y'all seriously only playing against Felix? What? He beat y'all. Everybody say hi. ¿De dónde vienen ustedes,
Happy birthday, Evan.
Hi. How are you? What's up, Carlos?
¿Cómo está?
Bien, bien. Pásenle, pásenle. Mira cómo está adentro. Because de su madre. These kids are having a water balloon fight. I'm about to lock their asses out. Huh, Max? Huh, Max? Little shits. Look. All the water they already. Aaron, are you going to play the baseball?
We're playing kickball.
Kickball, baseball? We're legit setting up. Is it gonna be long enough? I'm really sad, you guys, because Addie here says she's never seen my video. I'm sad. You're gonna have to look for this video, okay? Because you're gonna be in it. And I'm gonna be sad about it. I'm expecting some comments.
They're gonna have to make you an account.
iTunes? Pinche madre. You should slide. Yeah. I think it's safer. Slide. Angela's a savage.